Have you been hearing about the Mediterranean diet lately and wondered what it was all about? This video will help you out with that information. Let's get started. How healthy is the Mediterranean diet? It's been heralded as one of the healthiest ways to eat, and certainly one of the tastiest. The Mediterranean diet has been shown to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer, and it can be beneficial to your mental health as well by helping to reduce anxiety and depression. If you want to feel better both physically and mentally, try out this healthy diet today. The Mediterranean diet compared to other popular diets. The Mediterranean diet is significantly healthier than many other popular diets, and research has shown that it can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer, and even depression. Eating fish instead of meat, using olive oil for cooking instead of butter or margarine, and eating whole grains as well as fruits and vegetables in moderation all help to keep you healthy when following a Mediterranean diet. Many people have also found that losing weight on a Mediterranean diet is easier compared to most other popular diets. Eating like a Greek islander. The Mediterranean diet is high in good fats, low in bad fats, and moderate in salt. It's also full of healthy plant-based foods like whole grains, legumes, and fruits and vegetables. This can help lower your risk for heart disease and other health issues. It's been found to aid weight loss by filling you up on fiber-rich foods that make you feel fuller longer, so you're less likely to overeat later on. Benefits of following the Mediterranean diet. Reduces heart disease risk, prevents diabetes, and may lower cancer risk. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes consumption of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and olive oil in place of animal fats. Studies have shown that people who followed a Mediterranean-style diet were less likely to develop heart disease than people who did not follow such a diet. Additionally, researchers discovered that people following a Mediterranean-style diet had a decreased risk of developing type 2 diabetes when compared to those with higher intakes of meats and refined carbohydrates. Make it work for you and your lifestyle. The Mediterranean diet sounds a little complicated at first, but it's not as hard to understand as you might think. Mediterranean-style eating emphasizes unprocessed foods like fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These plant-based foods are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help your body function at its best. Seafood such as fish or shrimp are also on board with a Mediterranean diet, along with poultry and eggs. Final thoughts. The Mediterranean diet is a healthier option. Its focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fish is not only tasty but also keeps you fit. Along with exercise, following a Mediterranean diet is one of those things that has been proven to keep people healthy. While it takes some self-control to avoid higher calorie items such as red meat and junk food, it's important to choose better options when possible. I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching and help support this channel by subscribing today.